In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment slots in Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing meetings with colleagues, scheduling client sessions, or simply wanting a better way to manage your availability, this step-by-step guide will help you make the most out of Google's powerful scheduling tool. Let's begin by navigating to the Google Calendar website. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Calendar into your search bar. You should see the official Google Calendar link at the top of the search results. Click on it to proceed. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Simply type in your email and click Next. Afterward, enter your password and click Next again to access your calendar. Once you've logged into your Google Calendar, look towards the top left section of the page and click on the Create button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Appointment Schedule from this menu to begin creating your appointment slots. You'll be directed to a new window where you can start setting up your schedule. Begin by entering a title for your appointments. This title should be descriptive enough so that anyone booking will understand what the appointment is for. Next, click on the duration setting. By default, the duration might be set to 60 minutes, but you can change it by clicking on 45 minutes or any other duration that better fits your needs. Select the preferred time slot that works for your schedule. Google Calendar allows you to choose specific times when you are available for appointments. This feature is particularly useful for planning the week ahead. If you find there's a day you are unavailable, perhaps for personal errands or a day off, you may choose the unavailable all day option. This ensures that no appointments can be booked on those days, helping you maintain a balanced schedule. Once you've set up your availability, click on the Next button to move to the next step. At this point, you'll choose how and where the meeting will take place. Click on Select How and Where to Meet, and you'll be presented with several options. If you prefer a virtual meeting, select Google Meet Video Conferencing. This option automatically generates a Google Meet link for each appointment slot, making it convenient for both you and those booking your time. After you've configured these settings, click Save to finalize your appointment slots. Google Calendar provides a shareable link for your appointment page. You can click on Copy Link to share this with anyone who needs to book an appointment with you. Finally, it's always a good idea to preview your appointment page to ensure everything is set up correctly. Click on the Preview option to see how it looks from the perspective of someone booking the appointment. And there you have it. You've successfully created appointment slots in Google Calendar, streamlining the process of scheduling and managing your time. We hope this tutorial has made it easy for you to take control of your calendar. Feel free to revisit any part of this guide as you get accustomed to the process. Happy scheduling!